So today we have a gathering of many souls here. Why has this gathering taken place today with Laura?
In this group of women that are here, many know their gifts, and some are on the edge of realizing their gifts. And this gathering is to give them a safe place to open their hearts, to open their minds, to accept who they are, to give them bravery by watching Laura sing and channel and have the unique experiences of their past life regressions. The combination gives them permission to accept who they are and to stop dimming their lights. This is to help them brighten their lights from within, because at this time they are needed. Their services are needed. They hold the light in the places where they live. They influence all those around them, even without saying a word. Their frequency, their energy level is so bright and high that just by being in the presence of others, it lifts those around them.
Yes.
And so this gathering is to help them not feel so isolated, because light workers are innately put in spaces that they feel very lonely because we're spread out throughout the world. And it's almost like we're the boots on the ground and we each have our position on this earth. But there's not a lot around us. We are the influencers where we are. So this is to give them strength and courage and curiosity to work through those things that are bogging them down, those things that are keeping them from letting their light shine, from them understanding who they are, from them stepping into their power, from them understanding that they are made in the image of God, and that they are beautiful, powerful, amazing humans who have been kept down and oppressed. And so this is to give them permission to step into their beauty, their uniqueness, their gifts, their power, become who they need to be at this time on earth.